Do, ie, fi'n gwneud lot o ffrindiau newydd a fi'n dysgu lot. So fi'n mwynhau e.
I have, yeah. I've really enjoyed meeting everyone that I'll possibly bump into in the workplace.
I've really enjoyed the time here at Cyfle because I've had a chance to use editing software and I've never edited stuff before, and it's just been a really good experience to learn new things like that.
Yeah, it's been really interesting actually, learn all the stuff we have over the 6 weeks, and the people that I've been doing the course with have actually been very nice people, and I'm just glad to have met them.
Fi'n bach yn nervous I weithio fel ar set neu yn y cwmni, ond fi'n siŵr byddai'n dysgu lot a fi'n edrych mlaen.
I am, yeah. I've been really looking forward for a while. I've been there before, but not properly, but I'd like to be properly more on set around cameras.
Yeah, definitely. I really look forward to learning on the job. I've done like costume design stuff before, but never on set, never in a working environment.
I'm actually really looking forward to going back to Photodrome and doing what they do there. It's the knowledge that I've picked up from doing this course, as little as we've done in the first 6 weeks compared to the entire year, I still feel like I've picked up a lot. So I feel like that'll really benefit me when I get back.
Fi'n edrych mlaen at weithio gyda pobl sydd bod yn gweithio yn y diwydiad am sbel hir rili, a dysgu pethau ohonyn nhw.
Meeting everyone and hearing their past experiences and learning from them, and learning more about cameras and cinematography, really.
And working on set with people who've had previous experience in the industry, I think that'd be really useful for me in the future.
I believe I can definitely do a lot better video editing now, and generally just my health and safety is really picked up now. We've done the course on that part of the course. That's really interesting as well. So I'm just looking forward to getting into it, yeah.